welcome to our channel Anna and Herman on the road. My name is Herman, and here we are documenting our process of building a van to a camper van. And today I would like to talk with you about the battery setup. As you may know, batteries are an important part of every build setup. We are going to be really power hungry as we will work remotely from the van, and also we want to be self-sufficient at least for a week. We saved 1,000 Canadian dollars just to order these batteries during Black Friday event. The regular price for each battery it's 730 Canadian dollars, but for Black Friday it's 580 for one battery. And once you get 4, you get some discount, you get a free charger. Moreover, WattCycle kindly invite us to be their brand ambassador. That is why I could recommend you WattCycle, and if you're interested in their prices, please check the link below. For us, we had 3 most important criteria. That's the price, quality, and also size. You can find many different brands on the market, and the most popular in US, I would say it's a Battleboard. It's a big, huge batteries with good quality, but one battery will cost $3,200 here in Canada. That's ridiculous. So we shop for another cheaper alternatives. We found EcoWorthy, it's a good brand. We found Time, it's a good brand, and we found WattCycle. And once you compare all these 3 brands along with their capacity and with a size factor, we figured out that WattCycle has the smallest footprint, which is important for our van conversion, and also it has 314 ampere hours. It's much bigger than other brands, and for this price, that's the best winner for any comparison. That is why we decided to go not with 1, not with 2, but with 4 batteries in our van. That in total should be 1,200 ampere hours. We spent some time to choose should we go with a 12 volt or 24 or even 48 volt system. So the golden mid-range, it will be 24 volt system. That is why we bought 4 batteries. We're going to connect them in parallel and then in series. So we will have 2 legs, total 628 ampere hours. That's equivalent 1,200 ampere hours in 12 volt system. So let me talk about battery and why we choose specifically this one. Of course, the big advantage for us, it's a form factor. It's a standard lithium phosphate battery and capacity 314 ampere hours or 4,000 watt hours. So if you have a microwave that needs 1,000 watts, this microwave could work 4 hours on this battery. Do your calculation based on appliances you're going to use in your van. Also, the weight, it's only 27 kilograms. That is not so bad, and you can combine them in series or in parallel, and that's easy to do. They have handles just to move them around, set up, connect. And of course, guys, this battery already has inside BMS, battery management system, that allows you to run the current up to 200 amperes. So if something goes up, the BMS just shut down battery and disconnect from the system. It will save you from short circuit or another unpredictable electrical damage. Since we had the time, we decided not to rush to order the battery. We waited till Black Friday that we have this month and ended up ordering 4 of these batteries and got a charger for free. Another big advantage of these batteries, it's a local certification. It has European certification and also Northern American certification. So you will get full warranty on this brand, specifically brand, everywhere in North America. You can call to their support center if you have any issue, you can return. And also these certifications allows you easy get insurance on your electrical system or your full when built. Following our link or using a promo code below, it will give you additional 6% discount on any WattCycle products you want to buy. We just recently got these batteries and we're so excited to have a step forward with other electronic components. We're going to order a lot of Victron components. So if you're interested in content like this and you want to support our channel, please subscribe to our channel, leave the comment below what do you think about these batteries, and of course, see you in the next videos.